Hey everybody, Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. So we're here in the year 2025. Maybe you bought the HPE2, whether it's a 2023 or 2024. And I can tell you two things that I would hate about this scooter if I owned it. Especially this all matte black Super Sport. It's got the beautiful black accents, but Piaggio blew it. They didn't come with black levers. And don't worry, the 2025s don't come with black levers either unless you do the Scooter West exclusive replacement lever upgrade. I have a prior video on how to install these. They're pretty simple to install, but they're a nice powder coated finish. The part number for these levers, whether you put them on the new GTS 310 or this 2024 GTS Super Sport, is 1C007 042-3-BK. So they're sold as a pair. Pretty straightforward to install, but there's one more thing that they messed up on the 2023 and 2024. So I have the switch gear. It's bright chrome. I don't see anything else on the scooter that's bright chrome. Well, the 2025 model GTS 310, they took care of that. So if you have the older model, we have the replacement spare parts in stock, and they're not all that hard to change out. I've showed in the past how to replace the covers. That's an extremely difficult job to do. But if you just want to buy the OEM switches now with the black covers, we have them available at the Scooter West web store. Part numbers on those two switches, so you need a left and a right, is 1D005265 and 5266. So I'll show you what these look like. Just open one of them here. That's original Piaggio part. So this is the identical part that's found on the 2025 GTS 310. A lot of people are asking how much different is the GTS 310. Well, they have one new color for the Super Sport, and it's a pretty sharp looking blue. I'm pretty excited about that. They got rid of the orange. I don't know why. That was a popular color. The stickers are slightly different, and they finally come with the black switch gear. So as you can see, it's kind of a nice satin finish, all OEM parts assembled from the factory, so you know it's going to hold up well. The connectors, fortunately, are real easy to access, so you can watch my prior video on how to take apart the handlebar covers. If you have a regular Super or a GTS, these are going to be chrome. The bezels, the mirrors, you can certainly buy all those parts, same with the caps. But if you have the Super Sport, it's definitely missing the switch gear. So it's kind of a satin black. It's a pretty close match, kind of halfway between the gloss and the flat black of the bodywork, and pretty straightforward to install. It's got the joystick, all the goodies on there, and just installs like an OEM part. All the connections are the same, and it's a great upgrade that we now have in stock before the new scooters are here in the US. And I'd always love to tell everybody, go buy a new one. If you have a 2023 or 2024 GTS HPE2, as I like to call them, is it worth upgrading? You can find the dyno charts online, and that will kind of tell you they do have a little bit more torque, but the top speed and off the line, not really any different than the outgoing GTS 300, which actually is a 278 engine, 278cc engine. But then again, there's no replacement for displacement. I'll see you on the next one. Robot here from Scooter West and VespaMotorsport.com. If you're looking to buy any of these cool parts, just look at our web store, ScooterWest.com.